Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, the Xanadu Chronicles. I'm Frank and it's time for another episode of Awesome Tip Tuesday. Bookshelves. There are a million and one ways to go about styling them out, so where do you start? Here are a couple tips to keep in mind. Pull out all the items you want to integrate into your bookshelves. Make sure to use a variety of sizes of interesting things so that there is visual interest everywhere. Next, start arranging your books horizontally and vertically, along with your largest pieces. You don't want all of your large books or items concentrated in any particular area. The horizontal books will become platforms for your collections, so vary their heights to accommodate your items. When placing your goodies, think about creating little scenes. Add tiny pieces in unexpected spots. Hang or lean small pieces of art to create backgrounds worthy of a second look. Strive to layer items all the way to the back of the shelves to create depth. Finally, if you have hanging shelves like mine, don't forget the floor space. It's a surface too and another chance to highlight something special. Now get to styling, your bookshelves await. If you haven't seen our previous videos, click on the links and watch away. Please share, like, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. We'll do our best to keep you entertained and coming back for more. Bye for now.